Today I shall speak about the topic World Ozone Day. Earth without ozone is like a house without a roof. The ozone layer or the ozone shield is the region of Earth's atmosphere that absorbs most of the ultraviolet rays. It is highly concentrated molecules. It is present in the lower part of the stratosphere, approx 50 to 35 km above the Earth. The ozone layer was discovered in 1930 by the French physicists Charles Fabry and Henry Bouchon. United Nations General Assembly designated on 16 September as International Day of Prevention of Ozone Layer. This day is celebrated to spread the awareness of ozone layer. Ozone depletion is caused by the CFCs and HCFCs and aerosols and such gases which have ozone depletion potential ODP. Ozone Day 2020 is Ozone for Life, 35 years of ozone layer protection.
Here are some proverbs on Ozone Day. Ozone protects the earth from sun. Without him, we all would. So please save the ozone layer or give heat to our next generation. It threat to our soul when there is a hole in ozone.
Hey friends, my name is Devsha from Sharada Mandir High School. Today, this is the poster made by me on ozone layer. Today, I will explain you all the concept of this poster. Now, what is ozone layer? Ozone layer is an invisible blue protective shield between the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays and life on Earth. It works as an umbrella for the Earth. Just as an umbrella protects us from rain and sun rays, ozone layer protects us, our planet, from the harmful sun radiation for billions of years. But now, this ozone layer is depleting and it is causing harm to human beings, plants, animals, birds and more. And this is all due to certain man-made chemicals. Can we stop the depletion of this ozone layer? Yes, we can stop it. All we have to do is to reduce the production of CFC gas and plastics. We should plant more trees and keep our nature clean and green. Even scientists and government have started the journey of healing the ozone layer, but the story is not over yet. We all must keep working and keep the ozone layer safe for our future generation.
Good morning friends, my name is Sharada of Sharada Mandir. Today I am going to tell you about the history of the Ozone Day. Ozone Day is celebrated on 16th of September every year. This is the 35th year of the Ozone Day. In 1984, the world government adopted the Ozone Day for the precaution of the ozone layer. This year held on 16th September celebrated this achievement. It shows the collectivity's decisions and all the actions taken by the government in this pandemic situation due to the crisis of the global world. Thank you.
My name is Kupika Raute and I will recite a poem on ozone layer. Let's save the ozone layer. For O3, let's not be this layer. Who will stitch the Earth's umbrella? Let's all plant trees and not just read novella. CFC is O3's greatest enemy. Let's not use it, you and me. We cannot bear the sun's heat, but if it's not there, there's nothing to it. O3 protects us from UV rays in future problems we do not want to face. Let's not create any more holes. It is causing so much harm to the poles. It doesn't protect only ice, it even protects human eyes. To protect it is each one's responsibility. Later, let's not feel guilty. It's God's architecture which protects the nature. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Veer Adani and I am going to say on a topic importance of ozone layer. Ozone is a gas in the atmosphere that protects every living on the earth from the harmful ultraviolet radiation. Without this layer, ozone in the atmosphere, it would be very difficult for any living being to survive on the earth. Plants cannot live and grow in the heavy ultraviolet radiation, nor can the plankton that survive as a food for the most of the ocean life. Ozone layer act as a shield that to absorb the ultraviolet rays and keep them from doing the damage at the earth's surface. Thank you.
Myself, Mahir Vora. I am going to say some few words on awareness of ozone layer. Depletion of ozone layer may cause dangerous effects on humans. People have to face problems like eye deficiency, skin cancer, kidney and liver problems due to harmful UV rays. It is necessary to make people aware about the ozone hole and how they can contribute to the environment. As an individual, we should stop using plastic, avoid polluting our environment. That will help us to save the ozone layer. A small change by us can help nature to heal. According to research by Indian scientists published in NCBR Journal, in some countries of the world, there has been 35% reduction in pollution and 60% reduction in nitrogen since the lockdown January 23rd at 2020. The same time, the emission of ozone layer carbon also decreased by 1.5% to 2% and level of carbon dioxide also decreased. The awareness of depleting ozone layer can be spread in the following ways: newspaper, education system and multimedia, etc. It is said to be that nearly 2030s the ozone layer will be recovered by aerosol chemical only if rates are sustained by 1% to 3%. To aware the news of ozone layer is much important because if the layer will be depleted continuously, it will let the UV rays come in the earth and many various kind of diseases may lead to people die.
Hi, I am Shah from Sharada Mandir High School. Today I will talk about fact 5 on ozone layer. Ozone layer thickness decline and the Antarctic ozone hole grew substantially from the 1980s to the early 2000s. Through the first decade, this trend largely subsidized and we now see initial signs of recovery. It will take decades for the ozone layer to recover. Ozone layer depletion increases the amount of ultraviolet radiation that reaches the Earth's surface. This can increase the risk of skin cancer, particularly at higher latitudes.